Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is I, Muhammad Ali, in front of you, and I am here to present my FYP presentation. Our project is temperature reduction of PV panel by automatic cooling system and cleaning system of PV panel. We have done our project under the supervision of Dr. Abdul Qadir. My group member is Farhan Ali. This is basically content. First of all, I will describe introduction of my project. What is our project? Then I will describe problem statement means why we have need of this project. Then I will describe that what work actually has been done before. It means I will describe the literature review. After that, I will describe proposed solution, what we have given the proposal, what we have given the proposed solution of that problem statement. After that, I will describe the block diagram of our project, how basically our project will work. Then I will come to implementation. In implementation, we have first designed our project on AutoCAD, and after that, we have designed our project in the hardware form. After that, what results we have got, I will describe, and in the last, I will conclude my presentation. इंट्रोडक्शन बेसिकली हमारा जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो एक हार्डवेयर सिस्टम है वो हार्डवेयर सिस्टम यूज हो रहा है फॉर द रिड्यूसिंग द सरफेस टेम्परेचर ऑफ पीवी पैनल एंड our project is also hardware system of cleaning of the PV panel, cleaning system of PV panel. The cooling system will be achieved by the spray of water. It means when we will spray the water over the surface of the panel, there will be cooling of PV panel. And the cleaning system is achieved by rotating the roller brush. It means whenever the roller brush rotates over the surface of the panel, then it will clean the dust from the panel. So the cleaning system will be achieved by the rotating the roller brush over the surface of panel. Then I will describe problem statement. Basically, the problem is that when surface temperature of PV panel rise, as we know, PV panel is continuously placed over the radiations of sun. So it gets hot. Whenever it gets hot, the open circuited voltages decreases and it causes to decrease the maximum power. It means when surface temperature increases, there is limit of surface temperature. It depends on the STC, standard testing condition. Basically, there are the three standard testing conditions of PV panel. First standard testing condition is that PV panel should be inclined at 45 degree. Okay, we can do it. Secondly, the solar input power should be 1000 watt per meter square. It depends on the weather conditions. And the last SPC of PV panel is its surface temperature should be 25 degrees centigrade. If we if there is increment in surface temperature, the PV panel will not give its rated outputs and we will not have maximum power from the PV panel. So in result, the efficiency of PV panel will also be decreased with the increment of the temperature of the PV panel. When surface temperature rise, the efficiency will be decreased and the panel will not give its rated output power. And the second problem that whenever there is dusting on the PV panel, there is shadow problem. And whenever there is shadow problem in the PV panel, the current is being reduced. And ultimately, when the current is reduced, the output power will not be achieved as its ratings. So the dust on the PV panel also causes shadow problem because the dust is accumulated on the PV panel. When the dust is accumulated on the PV panel, the radiations could not be hit to the surface panel properly. So whenever there is dusting problem, there is shadow problem, and whenever there is shadow problem, the current reduced and we could not achieve maximum power. So these are the two main problem statements. First, due to surface temperature, VOC decreases, and whenever VOC decreases, the maximum power could not be achieved. And secondly, whenever there is dusting problem, the shadow problem creates, and due to shadow problem, the current is reduced. So these are two main problem statements. If we talk about literature review, you can easily view from this picture whenever there is 25, minus 25 degrees centigrade, the voltages are maximum. You can observe from this graph whenever the temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, the voltages are being reduced. Whenever the temperature increased up to 75 degrees centigrade, the voltages are being more reduced. So whatever I said, that is true from this graph. When the temperature increases, the voltages is going to decrease. Maximum power output from the solar cell also decreases as the cell temperature increases. So you can easily visualize from this graph that whenever the temperature is 0 degrees centigrade, it means the surface temperature is very much normal. So we are achieving maximum power. And whenever the temperature is increased, the, the maximum power is decreased. And whenever the temperature is more increased up to 50 degrees centigrade, we have less maximum power. And whenever the temperature is highest up to 75 degrees centigrade, we are getting very low maximum power. So this indicates that the heating of PV panel can also affect the output of PV panel significantly. In order to prove this phenomena, Kluth stated water as coolant to increase the solar power efficiency, solar panel efficiency. Kluth took two small mean solar panels, one without cooling system and one with cooling system. And Kluth uh, concluded that the solar panel with water cooling generates more energy than one without cooling. So, keeping this concept, we are going to design the prototype of this cooling system as well as cleaning system. Solution. To solve the problem of surface temperature, it means we are basically going to maintain the temperature of solar panel up to 25 degrees centigrade. It should not be increased from its STC, standard testing condition. So to solve the problem of surface temperature and dust problem of PV panel, we have designed a prototype of cooling system for reducing the temperature and cleaning system for removing the dust from the PV panel. Cooling system is based on the temperature because whenever the temperature increases, the cooling system will be operated. And cleaning system is basically based on time. If it means we have set the timings of cleaning system whenever these times appear, the cleaning system will be operated. These are the basically block diagram. It shows how our project will work. Uh, this is panel. Uh, on the upper side of panel, the pipe is connected from which the water will be sprayed. And in the bottom side of panel, there is a brush. This is roller brush which is used to rotate, which is used to clean the PV panel by rotating itself. And the brush will be rotated with the help of stepper motor. And in the bottom side, there is also a drainage system of PV panel. The water which have cooled the system, cooled the PV panel, will be flown through the drainage system. Basically, this is automatic system. We have used LM35, which will be continuously sense the temperature whenever there is 25 degrees centigrade, and this LM35 is programmed with ESP controller. Whenever 25 degrees centigrade achieved, ESP will send signal to DC pump, and DC pump will be operated. Whenever the DC pump will be operated, then the cold water from the DC pump will flow through the pipe and spread over the surface of panel. And when there is timing of cleaning system and the stepper motor, that we have used timer IC for timing, and this timer IC is also programmed with ESP controller. When time achieved, the stepper motor will be operated and it will clean the PV panel by rotating the roller brush. This is block diagram. This is cooling system. It means where we design cooling system with flow of water, because the water is very much usable for cleaning the system and more efficient for cleaning the system. And a pipe is installed at upper side of panel. We have fixed the pipe on the upper side, because we have keep the concept that if we placed it over the side of panels, there would be shadow problem. That's why we have done calculation and a fixed pipe over the panel, so that there should not be shadow problem. DC pump is installed, which is programmed with ESP32 controller by using the temperature sensor LM35. When temperature exceeds 30 degrees centigrade, here we have set the limit 30 degrees centigrade instead of 25 degrees centigrade, because we have given the gap of 5 degrees centigrade. It means, for example, there is 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, the pump operated. When the pump will be operated, and it will instantaneously make 25 degrees centigrade again, the surface temperature. So there would be running off motor, and will be stopping of the motor, running off motor, stopping of motor, with the gap of with the difference of only 1 degree centigrade. So that's why, in order to keep this concept, we have given 5 degree centigrade gap. It means uh, whenever there is 30 degrees centigrade, the pump will be operated, and it will make the surface temperature up to 25 degrees centigrade. Then there would be the delay until the temperature again reaches to 30 degrees centigrade, and the pump will be operated. LM35 temperature sensor will be attached at the back side of the surface panel of or surface panel, because there will be less effect of body temperature. This is cleaning system. Basically, we have used the painting roller brush. The brush is attached with a stepper motor, and stepper motor is programmed with ESP32 by using timer IC. And basically, we have set the three timings of cleaning system. In the morning time, 10 a.m., in the noon time, 2 p.m., and in the evening time 6 p.m. In a day, there would be operating of stepper motor 3 times, so that it cleans the PV panel. When a stepper motor rotates, the roller brush will rotate and clean all the dust from the surface panel. Now we have implementation. How we have implemented our project. Basically, the implementation of our project is based on 4 stages. Prototype, designing on AutoCAD, And then we have hardware designing, hardware implementation, and third, we have interfaced the temperature sensor with means we have programmed the temperature sensor ESP32 controller and with DC pump. And secondly, the stepper motor programming with timer IC and ESP32. And in the last, we have taken the results. Basically, this is the 2D and 3D model of our project in AutoCAD, and this is the cooling designing. This is panel, and we have used two tanks. First cold water, and second tank is used for collecting the water which is spread over the surface of panel. The DC pump will suck this water and spray over the surface of panel, and the water which is used for cooling the panel will be flow through drainage system and will come here into the tank. And this is the 3D model of our project cooling system. This is 3D model of our project in AutoCAD cleaning system. We have designed a stand, and over the stand we have designed all the working of stepper motor. This is the stepper motor, and with the help of this chain the stepper motor will be rotated, and the here this is and here this is roller brush which will be rotating over the surface panel for cleaning the dust. And this is the box, and this is the controlling box. All the controlling system will be placed here in the box. This is the hardware design of our system. We have placed on the top of the academic block 3 in our university, and this is a roller brush. Actually, this is roller brush, and with the roller brush, we have attached a stepper motor. This is stepper motor, and this is DC pump, and this is DC pump for spraying the water, and this is the pipe from which the this is the pipe from which the water will be sprayed. This is small video we have put in our presentation for demonstrating our project. You can easily see that the roller brush is rotating, and over the surface of panel the water is being sprayed, and here both there is both working cleaning as well as cooling. And this is also another video. You can watch this video. Basically, this is the video of cooling system. This is temperature sensor. Uh, uh, when temperature exceeds, the cooling system is being operated. Whenever the temperature reduces, and the pump automatically stopped. These are the specifications for the panel we have used in our project. The open circuited voltage, we are working on basically on the open circuited voltages. So the open circuited voltage is 22.14, maximum open circuit voltage is 22.14, and the short circuit current is 5.78, and the STC is 25 degree centigrade. And cell type we have used in our project is polycrystalline silicon. Now we have come to results. Relation of VOC and temperature at different timings. Basically, we have taken the different relations of VOC and temperature at different timings, and observe how VOC changes with respect to time at different timings and different temperatures. VOC changes with temperature, as we know. The surface temperature was in the limits of 25 to 40 degrees Celsius from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. because we have taken the results in the winter weather, and as we know, in the winter weather there is not too much the hot conditions. So that's why we have taken the results in the winter due to timings of our project. That's why these are the results we have taken in the morning time from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. VOC was 88% of its rated value because of the winter weather. Because the surface temperature is not, it's not too much hot. As the surface temperature increased, surface temperature was from 41 to 45 degrees Celsius. The panel decreases its output circuited voltages. From 12 p.m. to 2 p.m., the VOC reduced to 78% of its rated value. Because, because wherever the surface temperature increases, the neutral atom broken. Whenever the neutral atom broken, sorry, whenever the neutral atom broken, there is production of protons and electrons, positive ions and negative ions. And whenever there is production of negative ions, the current increases. And the current increases up to its rated value. And whenever whenever the current reaches to its rated value, then due to the production of negative ions, the current does not increase and causes to heat up due to internal resistance of the PV panel. It means we can say that the voltage is reduces due to resistive losses, due to I square R losses, the voltages are being reduced. From 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., the surface temperature decreased due to cold weather conditions, so there was some increment in open circuited voltages. From this graph, you can easily view that whenever the temperature is low, the open circuit voltages are high. Whenever the temperature is high, the open circuit voltages are low. And whenever the temperature is going to decrease, the open circuit voltage is going to increase. Then we observe the relation of ISC and temperature at different timings. Basically, whenever the temperature increases, ISC also increases. Short circuit current increases. As I discussed already, that whenever temperature increases, neutral atom breaks in the depletion region, and due to the breaking of atoms, the negative ions, there is negative ions production, and due to there is negative ions production, the ISC short circuit current increases. When it reaches to approximately its rated value, ISC does not increase and causes to heat up and decreases the open circuit voltages, as I already discussed in the previous slide, due to internal resistance of PV panel. When it was morning time from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., the short circuit was around 77% of its rated value, and the surface temperature was 30 to 34 degrees Celsius. When surface temperature increases, ISC was 86%. It means when surface temperature increases, the ISC also what increases and reaches up to its 86% of its rated value. But when there is evening time, due to less solar power, solar power, I already discussed that there are the three STC, standard testing conditions. When solar input power, and solar input power is also one of the STC. When solar power input power decreases, the current also decreases. So in the evening time, solar power is very much less, and due to less solar power, there was less maximum, there was less power of output from the PV panel, and ISC reduces up to 52% of its rated value. Relation of ISC and temperature at different timing. You can easily view that whenever the temperature is going to high, the current also increases, and whenever the timing is going to evening time, the ISC short circuit current also going to decrease. Now we have done the comparison, means the project we have designed, either it's working or not, or maintaining the temperature and keeping the VOC open circuit voltages up to its rated value or not. So it has been analyzed that when temperature increases, the open circuit voltages are reduced. So cooling system is designed to maintain the temperature of PV panel up to 25 degrees centigrade, and when temperature exceeds the 30 degrees centigrade, DC pump operated until the temperature reduced to 35 degrees centigrade. It means our project worked properly. This is the chart that we have constructed during our results. Here in the chart, the maximum temperature is 44.82 degrees centigrade. The VOC has decreased from 22.12 to 17.25 volt. So temperature after cooling, there is 25.20 degrees centigrade. And you can visualize that the voltages are increased from 17.25 to 21.44, and you can also visualize that the VOC after cooling is approximately to its rated value. Now this is graph. You can observe the comparison between VOC before and after cooling. Before cooling, you can observe that the voltages are 21.115 and then 19.785, means as the temperature increases, the voltages are being reduces. So our project is maintaining the voltages up to its rated value. You can watch it graphically, and this is the proof that the voltages are being maintained up to its rated value. Now this is the efficiency, comparison of efficiency. At higher temperature, at 44.82, the efficiency is very much less, 9.67, and after cooling, the efficiency has been increased and reaches to 12.02%. And you can also visualize that after cooling, the efficiency is very much high. But in the column of 6 and 7, the efficiency is less due to solar input power. There is less solar input power, and whenever there is less solar input power, the efficiency is less. And solar input power is not in our hand, it's natural. But we can maintain the temperature of PV panel by using different kinds of system, and we have used water as coolant. Before cooling, the average efficiency of PV panel was 8.54%, and after cooling, the average efficiency was 11.07. It means it has increased 3 to 4% efficiency of PV panel, and average rate of increasing efficiency was 2.67% per cooling. It means whenever there is operation of cooling system, the efficiency was being increasing up to 2.67% per cooling. In the next graph, it is clearly shown that efficiency has been increased by spraying the water. And this is the graph. You can observe that after cooling, the efficiency has been increased. Before cooling, the efficiency is 9.3, and after cooling, there is efficiency of 10.25. At higher temperature, the efficiency is 9.67, and whenever the cooling system has been operated, the efficiency goes to 10.02%. Relation of current and dust. As I already discussed that whenever the dust is accumulated over the surface of panel, there is the problem of shadow. And in the shadow problem, current decreases while the voltages remain constant. We use different quantities of mud and observe that with increase in the dust, the solar power generates less current. This is the relation of current and dust. You can observe that whenever there is 5 gram of mud, there is less shadow problem, and whenever there is less, we are getting maximum power, maximum current 4.34 ampere. And whenever we are going to increase the mud, the quantity of mud, then the current is going to decrease. And at the 25 gram of mud we have placed over the surface of panel, then there is greater shadow problem, and due to greater shadow problem, the current is very much less and reaches up to 1.092%, 1.0 to 1.092 amperes. This is the relation this is basically describe this graph basically describes that whenever there is dust problem, the voltage has not too much effect of the dust. The voltage is roughly remains constant. Comparison of current before and after cleaning. Uh, uh, you can observe from this graph that whenever the current has the current whenever there is a reduction of shadow by removing the mud from the panel, the current has been increased. At 5 gram of mud, the current is 4.34, and whenever we have removed the mud, it has increased to 5.21 amperes. It means it has been approximately reaches up to its rated value. And whenever we have 25 gram, the current is very much less, and whenever we have removed the dust, it has reached it has the current has reached to 4.17 ampere. There is great difference. Future recommendation. We have designed the prototype for single panel. In the future, we will design prototype for the higher level. As for example, for the industries in which there will be more development as compared to our prototype. We will also implement IoT-based cooling system. All the controlling system will be operated from the mobile app, and there would be database in which the readings of voltage, current, temperature will be saved in the database. All the data such as voltage, current, power, temperature, efficiency will be stored in the mobile database. Future system will be also on the SMS. If we send on SMS, the pump will be operated and also cleaning system. In the future, we will take the results in the summer season and will compare with the winter results and will do comparative analysis. Conclusion. We analyzed that it is possible to cool and clean the PV panels by using the proposed cooling and cleaning system in hot and dusty region. The PV panel gives the highest output energy if there is a start of cooling system when the PV panel reaches maximum allowable temperature. During the hottest weather condition, when temperature goes up, the DC pump was started and increased the efficiency by spraying the water. Stepper motor also performed well for the cleaning system. The stepper motor also performed well for cleaning of the PV panel. These are the references. Now I am going to show you the FYP poster of our project. Thank you.